Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of a stress-free family vacation with endless fun and delicious food, look no further than Mexico's incredible all-inclusive resorts. Today, we're diving into my top 3 picks for families, where everyone from toddlers to teens will have an unforgettable time. First up, we have Xcaret Mexico in Playa del Carmen. This isn't just a resort, it's an adventure park paradise. Imagine staying in a place where you have access to stunning natural parks like Xcaret, Xel-Há, Explore, and more. Your kids will love swimming in underground rivers, exploring Mayan ruins, and encountering exotic wildlife. The resort itself boasts multiple pools, a kids club, and fantastic dining options. Plus, the commitment to sustainability and showcasing Mexican culture is truly remarkable. Next on our list is the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres in Cancun. This resort is a modern marvel, perfect for families seeking luxury and convenience. The family selection area is a game changer, offering personalized services, a dedicated kids pool with a water park, and even a family host to cater to your every need. The rooms are spacious and well-equipped, and the dining options are diverse and delicious. With a pristine beach and a wide array of activities, there's never a dull moment. Finally, let's talk about Club Med Cancun Yucatan. This resort is all about active family fun. Club Med is famous for its GOs, gentle organizateurs, who are incredibly friendly and make sure everyone has a blast. They offer a wide range of activities, from trapeze and sailing to snorkeling and tennis. The kids' clubs are top-notch, catering to all ages with engaging programs. And the evening shows are always a highlight. It's perfect for families who love to stay active and try new things. So, whether you're looking for adventure, luxury, or non-stop activities, these 3 resorts offer something special for every family. Remember to check the links in the description for more information and to book your dream vacation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Happy travels!